Most people take their cars to the car wash. However, today we are taking the bike. I've put a mirror on it. I've got my gear, got my caffeine. I've had my breakfast. I've had my za. We are ready to go. Now in my backpack, I have some quarters, water, a tripod, a charger for my GoPro, and some tools. Totally forgot about this guy. I'm also bringing a triangle so I can stand it up and wash it when we're at the car wash. Get some cool shots. Now that doesn't look very safe, but we're rocking it. Man, it's beautiful. All right, so we're pretty much gonna take the same way as I took on my mini bike. It's a few back roads back there. But on my way back, I'm probably gonna hit a different way to keep it a little more interesting. And then we'll go to the car wash this bad boy up, and then we'll head our way up back. All right, let's get it. Traffic. Guess we'll see. Woo! Welcome to town, baby. That was honestly such an easy ride. Man. Credit cards only? I brought $6 in quarters, and you mean to tell me credit card only? People. Amazon, $17 for the win? Little tippy, that's alright. We're in business, boys. Alright, let's go check this other side. What? Come on. Guess we're swiping. Oh yeah. Y'all know the drill. Do not take brush. Don't take a brush. One-handed skill right there. Multitasking man. second kick every time. Because that car behind me, I've been losing it. Unless they're going under the speed limit, which I doubt. So this exact road, I used to ride all sorts of toys on when I was a kid. Wow, dude, it's so beautiful. Good day to do it. I'm so happy. Captain, you got a problem, Captain. I ain't got no more mirrors. Baby, what you mean? Go and shake that ass, well. Sorry, sir. I'm just trying to fix my mirror. We're probably like, I don't know, a third, halfway home. Good enough. The highway, but we'll get there soon. Hi, Mr. Tractor. Bye, Mr. Tractor. Plane. No, it's Jerry on his dirt bike. Don't hit your back ring. So fun fact about that road that car just came from, it's called Wild Rose, and it is in fact wild. My very first car, I was with friends mobbing on that road, and it actually got a rod knock, and I had to pull over here, and that motor was done for. My brother bought it from me but I actually used to mow this house right here, and that's how I got my money to buy my first car, was mowing lawns with my grandma. And that house right there is one of the ones we did. Kind of crazy perspective how the car died in front of how I bought it, you know? That's awesome. We're gonna go see if we can rip this road, maybe not piss people out. Says it's recording, but my GoPro is showing no signs of nothing. I don't know if that means it's recorded or if it's dead, but I'm almost home anyway. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. Do things in life that make you happy. Just live life, man. Be happy, be a good person, stay positive. Keep rocking and rolling. Peace out. God bless. And I'll see you in the next one. Just randomly turned on. I bet you it's heat. Probably overheated, huh? I heard a lot of things about that.